Hey there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to create ebook in Canva. So for this, I'm here on canva.com. In search bar, you need to search for ebook template. Here it will take few seconds and then you will get all the templates here. If you have Canva free, so I have created a video on how to get Canva Pro for free. So you can watch it and get Canva Pro for free. Okay, so I choose this template here. As you can see, we have different pages of each template. So open the template that you like the most and then click on customize this template. A new tab will open and here you will get all the pages of that book. So this is the page 1 and this is the outer page. So from here you can change the font of the text and also you can change the text of the book. And let's say we want to change the background of the image here too. So for that, go to elements and here I will search for ocean and go to photos. So there you will get different images. So let's say we want to go with this one. Right click on it and then click on replace background. So the background is changed. Then you can add the writer name and also your website. In the next page we have all the chapters. So if you have more chapters, then simply select all the text here like this and then drag it on the left side. Now click on this duplicate and then drag it to the right side, and from here you can edit it like this. In the left side we have first 5 chapters, then you can start from 6 to 10 in the right side. Then in the next page we have the intro for the first chapter. So if you want to change the background of the image, you can change it. If you want to change the text or font of the image, you can change it. Firstly, we will change the background image here. So let's choose an image. Now right click on the image and click on replace background. So as you can see, the image is changed in the background. Then we have the chapter started. So here you can edit the text, you can change its position, you can change its font, and also you can change the color of the text. Also, if you want to add a background of here too, so from here you can choose the image, right click on it, and then simply click on replace background, and in this way you can add a background image for here too. Now let's change the color of the font so it visibles on the background image. And after all the editing, you can download this book in PDF form. In this way, you can create ebook on Canva. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe us. Thank you for watching. Bye.